So today I went to Konstanz, which is a German city in the complete southeast. And I went there on train, and it was my first time actually being on a train from a different country than the Netherlands. And of course it was Germany, so naturally the train was delayed with 10 freaking minutes. And we took this train from Reichenau to Konstanz. De zoek. Het is druk. In Konstanz, we made a city hike, so you're gonna see some photos of that now. After that hike, we went back to the station and we saw this train there, and it was on a railway which just seemed to stop at nowhere, but there was a giant field there, so I think that there once was rail there, but they just moved it for some reason.
Mind the gap between the train and the platform. Mind the gap.